Writing style informative. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some intriguing political maneuvers coming out of Zimbabwe that could signal major changes in the upcoming elections. Nelson Chamisa, a prominent figure in Zimbabwean politics and the leader of the so-called Blue Movement, is not sitting still. With elections on the horizon, Chamisa has launched a bold new initiative by sending two key players, Ostalo Siziba and Amos Chibaya, to Bulawayo. But why Bulawayo? And what does this mean for the political landscape in Zimbabwe? Let's dive in. Bulawayo, Zimbabwe's second-largest city, has always been a crucial battleground for political influence. By focusing on Bulawayo, Chamisa is not just aiming to consolidate his support, but is strategically setting up structures that will enable his party, known as the Blue Movement, to enhance its reach and effectiveness. Ostalo Siziba and Amos Chibaya are no ordinary choices for this task. Siziba, known for his dynamic approach and youthful energy, alongside Chibaya, who brings a wealth of experience and strategic thinking, are the perfect duo to spearhead this initiative. Their mission? To establish a solid base from which the MDC alliance can operate, mobilize support, and ultimately strengthen their campaign for the upcoming elections. But what exactly does setting up structures entail? It involves creating local offices, recruiting and training volunteers, engaging with the community through meetings and events, and building a network of supporters who can spread the party's message effectively. This groundwork is essential for any political party aiming to make a significant impact at the polls. As Chamisa gears up for the elections, this move signals a proactive approach. It's not just about campaigning, it's about creating a sustainable model of political engagement that can outlast an election cycle. By strengthening the party's presence in key locations like Bulawayo, Chamisa is ensuring that his Blue Movement is seen as a viable alternative, ready to govern and address the concerns of the Zimbabwean people. This strategy also reflects a broader trend in global politics where grassroots mobilization and local engagement are becoming crucial components of electoral success. As we've seen in various other countries, the parties that connect with their base and mobilize effectively are often the ones that emerge victorious. As we watch these developments unfold, it's clear that the political landscape in Zimbabwe is gearing up for some significant changes. Whether Chamisa's strategy will lead to electoral success remains to be seen. But one thing is certain: the groundwork being laid in Bulawayo will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of Zimbabwean politics. Thanks for tuning in, and stay with us for more updates on this and other political movements around the world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay informed. Until next time, keep questioning and stay engaged.